Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Natalie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a review and swatches of the RMS Beauty blushes. I have all 6 in the line. I first purchased 2 and I just couldn't help myself because I was so impressed that I needed all of them. I got them off of the RMS Beauty website. When you sign up, you get, I think, 15% off. You earn points for products. You get samples with your order. With the blushes, I also got a free blush brush. So you can really get some good deals when you do purchase from the brand's website. So definitely check that out. I'm not Rouge at Sephora, so for me, there was no point to hold out for a sale for there because the 15% off would be greater than what I would get at Sephora. Plus, at the time when I was getting these, they were sold out at Sephora anyway, so there you go. So I am so excited to share these blushes with you because I will have to say, when I think of like makeup of 2023 spring and summer, this is what I think of. So I absolutely love these blushes. I highly recommend them. RMS Beauty is a natural beauty brand, and I am new to RMS Beauty. This is the only products that I have from them other than some items that I got, from samples from ordering. But I am obsessed, and I hope that they expand their line, honestly. And I think the packaging is really great. So I will share with you the first 2 that I bought because it was really, really hard to decide. But the first one was Sangria. It is so beautiful. But first, let me go through the packaging with you guys. It's like this square packaging. It's very substantial. Also, you can push out the pan and it is refillable. So on their website, you can purchase just the pan and it's cheaper than buying the pan with the compact. When you do get it though, when you buy it with the compact, it all comes together. So it's not like you have to put it together or anything like that. But it's great because if this is your favorite blush ever and you maybe only have a couple blushes and you go through them pretty often, you can just buy the pan and overall you're going to be saving money. So I think that's really great. Or honestly, if you own a lot of makeup and it goes bad after a while, after many years, you can just pop it out and just rebuy the pan as well, or buy a different color or something like that. So I think the packaging is great. I also love the fact that the mirror in here is a high quality mirror. It is not a cheap, funky mirror. I feel like I always mention that about makeup products because I cannot stand a cheap mirror in a makeup product, even though I mainly probably won't be using it, but still, like, you are paying for it, right? So it is a high quality mirror and I really do enjoy it, and I do love the compact. It is a little bit thicker, but honestly, I haven't found any problems with traveling with multiple of these, so it's fine with me. So this is what it looks like. This is Sangria, and I love the like diamond texture on the powder. I think it's really pretty. These are kind of like the powder gelée, and you also get 7 grams of product, which is, I think, pretty decent for a blush. So let me swatch this for you guys. I tend to not do a lot of swatches on my channel just because the oils from your fingers can get onto obviously the powder, and you can get that like cast, what do you call that, like that overcast on your powder. I don't know, I haven't done videos in so long. I feel like so out of it. Okay, so this is Sangria, and these swatch just fantastic, and they go on your brush great as well. So that is Sangria. Super, super pretty. I love it. Love, love, love. It's such a great shade that you can even wear this, I would say, even year round, especially even in the fall when you're wearing a lot of like terracotta shades. I think it's just so pretty. And then the next shade, the second shade that I got with Sangria, is Maiden's Blush. And I think this might have been a newer one. I don't know. I can't remember. But I feel like a lot of people were talking about this at the time. So I think maybe it was newer. But as you can tell, I definitely wore this a lot. This is totally up my alley. I totally didn't need this colored. Let's just be real. But I was like, oh my God, I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this blush. You know what I mean? So it's just like when I buy nude lipsticks, like I know I'm going to be wearing them. So that's what that looks like there. I mean, just that's one swipe. Like, you don't, and there's no like powdery fallout or anything like that. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. So that is Maiden's Blush. So, so pretty. love, love, love. So after I got those two, I was like, okay, I need them all. So then I got the last four. So the third one is Mai Tai. So pretty. And honestly, online, it was really, really hard to be able to see the difference in, you know, the colors. Because you're like, are they kind of similar? So this is Sangria, and then this is Mai Tai. See that? And Mai Tai is beautiful. I really didn't think, of all the colors, I thought I was going to skip Mai Tai, to be honest. But this was like seriously one of my favorites in the summer. I just couldn't stop using this. It was so pretty, and it has this beautiful like sheen. It is gorgeous. So this one is Mai Tai. Sorry guys. So pretty. I couldn't believe how much I loved this shade. Of course, when you apply it on the cheeks, it's going to be more diffused, but just so that way you guys can see the differences. Then the next one is Pomegranate Fizz, which again, this one I was like, okay, how does this compare to Sangria? Because it kind of look similar. So this is Pomegranate Fizz. This is Sangria. And then this is Mai Tai. See that? So Pomegranate Fizz is definitely more on the pink side. Oh, so pretty. I would say it's almost like I would describe it like a watermelon. So that is Pomegranate Fizz right here. So it's definitely more like a watermelon. And then we have French Rose, which I couldn't wait to get. This is like a beautiful, like light pink. I would say like Barbie pink, honestly. I haven't seen the Barbie movie. Have you guys? So this is French Rose. Oh my gosh, these just glide on. And that's the thing, like you are not going to be digging your brush in, trying to get pigment. Not at all. You're not going to have fallout. So this is French Rose. So pretty. So we got French Rose and then the Pomegranate Fizz. So French Rose, Pomegranate Fizz. And you can see them here. So this is Pomegranate Fizz and French Rose. So pretty. So, so, so pretty. I mean, I guess if you want, pick between these two. And then maybe pick between Sangria and Mai Tai. And then we got Hanky Panky, which is not a color that I have worn often, but I'm going to be like through the summer. Really, I was wearing all these other ones so much, but this color is definitely, for me at least, more, you know, fall and winter. It's really unique, honestly. And then I guess I'll just put that one right here. Yeah, I mean, so this is Hanky Panky. So I would say definitely Mai Tai and Hanky Panky, like they are completely different I mean, they're all different, let's just be real. But the Maiden's Blush and Hanky Panky are like the most different. Whereas I feel like you could pick between French Rose and Pomegranate Fizz, like seeing which one you would like more there. And then Sangria and Mai Tai and pick which one you like more there. So I feel like if you have all six, you have all different blushes. Like they look different on and obviously different swatched, but totally just pick your favorites between those colorings and I think those colorways. And I think you will have blushes that you absolutely love. But so, I mean, oh, look at Hanky Panky. I mean, it's so pretty. I would say it's almost like a duochrome. It's so pretty. But they're all so pretty. And Maiden's Blush, oh my gosh, it's so good. I mean, you can wear that all day, every look. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but you could wear Maiden's Blush with any look possible, any eye look, any lip color. It's just one of those, I feel like, go-tos to keep in your makeup bag. Wear it every single day. If you're in a rush, you don't want to think about anything, you know, this is fantastic. Hanky Panky is definitely going to be a favorite for this fall and winter, but the other ones I loved so much this summer. I mean, so much. When I think about, again, like I said, like my favorites of when it comes to makeup for the summer, I think of these blushes. I mean, Mai Tai, I wore so much. Sangria, I wore a lot. I wore all 4 of these. And Maiden's Blush, honestly, but especially the colors. Like, I wore these so much this summer. I mean, it's like all I had in my everyday drawer, in my makeup bag. I just wore these so much. I was so impressed that I felt like I was honestly neglecting all my other blushes, that I felt bad for them because they weren't being used, because I love these so much. These are not obviously an inexpensive product, but definitely if you sign up, you can get a percentage off. You can get free gift with purchases, earn points to get free stuff. So definitely check it out. But do you need all 6? Probably not. Did I need all 6? Probably not. But are they all different? Yes. Like, I don't feel like when I wear them, like, oh, that looks like this one. Like, not at all. Like, I think that they are great. And honestly, like, they really helped, like, the hole that I had in my blush collection, because I really didn't have a lot of colors. And these colors, like, are very wearable. I've found in the past a lot of colors when it comes to blushes, especially for the summertime, and corals and pinks, they just didn't look good on me. But I feel like RMS really got the coloring, the undertone, the texture, the finish. It's just like, they just did it so well. The formula is fantastic, and I just think they look so good even on fair light skin tone. They just look so great, and you actually can, you know, differentiate the color on your cheeks, and it doesn't all just like look the same. So here are the swatches one more time. I love them. So Sangria, Maiden's Blush, Mai Tai, Pomegranate Fizz, French Rose. I wanted to say French Kiss. French Rose, and Hanky Panky. I mean, just look how different they are. But again, pick your favorites. You don't have to have all of them. I mean, so anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hoped this helped you guys out. And definitely let me know what other items that you love from RMS Beauty. What are your favorite blushes? Have you tried these blushes? Please let me know below. I'm just really curious, because I feel like I heard a lot of people talk about Maiden's Blush, but all the other ones, not so much. And I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that I purchased these. These are not a regret by any means. And I cannot wait to wear Hanky Panky all fall and winter long. I'm so excited for that. And even Maiden's Blush, like, year round. It's so great. I mean, honestly, you can wear these all year round. There's no rules, okay? Like, let's be real. But even the French Rose, like, this is a color that I would never gravitate towards. Like, I would always stay away from, like, brighter pinks. So beautiful on. I absolutely love it. I wore this one I wore all of these so much, other than most least used is obviously Hanky Panky, but all the other ones, oh my gosh, I couldn't get enough of them. Like, I wanted to do my makeup to wear these blushes. Like, that's how much I absolutely love them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped any of you guys out if you guys were curious about these blushes, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.